In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur or pixelate sensitive info in Sharex. If you ever share screenshots that include private details, this quick process will help you hide them clearly and reliably before you post or send anything. Start by launching Sharex from your desktop. When the app opens, you'll see the main window with a list of your recent captures on the left or in the central panel, depending on your layout. These are the images you can edit right away. Next, right-click any image in that list that contains something you need to hide. Things like account IDs, addresses, or other details you don't want visible. Right-clicking brings up the context menu with editing options tailored to that specific file. Choose Edit Image. This opens the built-in Sharex image editor, which is perfect for making quick, focused changes without jumping into a more complex program. You'll see a toolbar across the top with annotation and redaction tools. From that toolbar, select either the blur tool, marked with a B, or the pixelate tool, marked with a P. Blur softens the area into a smooth haze, which is great for casual redaction while keeping the image looking natural. Pixelate replaces the area with blocky squares, which is often better when you want stronger, more obvious obfuscation. You can switch between them at any time, and you can use the keyboard shortcuts B for blur and P for pixelate to move faster. Look for size or thickness controls in the toolbar to adjust how big your brush is, so you can cover small text precisely or large sections quickly. Now, draw directly over the parts of the image you want to hide. Click and drag to paint over text, photos, or interface elements. If you need stronger coverage, make a second pass or switch from blur to pixelate for extra protection. Zoom in for fine details so you don't leave edges visible, and leave a small margin around the sensitive area to ensure nothing peeks through. If you make a mistake, use undo to step back and repaint cleanly. When you're satisfied, click Save or press Ctrl+S. You can overwrite the original image if you're sure you no longer need the unedited version, or save a new copy so you keep both. Keeping a separate redacted copy is often safer for future edits. That's it. You've used Sharex to quickly blur or pixelate sensitive information and protect your privacy while keeping your screenshots useful and shareable.